In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. A sales receipt is useful when a customer pays you at the time of the sale. Instead of creating an invoice and then recording a payment later, a sales receipt lets you document the transaction all at once. This helps keep your records accurate and saves time when you're entering day-to-day sales. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the top left corner of the screen. Click the Create button, sometimes shown as a plus sign. This opens the menu where you can create different types of transactions. From there, go to the Customers column and select Sales Receipt. This will open a new sales receipt form where you can begin entering the details of the transaction. Next, choose the customer from the Customer drop-down menu. If the customer is already in your system, simply select their name from the list. If this is a brand new customer, click Add New and create their profile before continuing. Taking a moment to choose the correct customer is important since it helps you keep your customer history organized and makes future reporting much easier. Once the customer is selected, verify the sales receipt date. Make sure it matches the day the payment was actually received so your books stay accurate. Then enter the payment method such as cash, check, or credit card. This step is helpful for tracking how your business receives money and can also make reconciliation easier later on. Now move down to the Product or Service table. This is where you'll record exactly what the customer purchased. Select each item or service you sold from the list provided. If needed, adjust the quantity and rate to match the actual sale. It's always a good idea to review these details carefully, since even a small error in quantity or pricing can affect your total and your reports. If you plan to print or email the receipt, you can also fill in the message fields. Enter a message displayed on sales receipt if you want something to appear directly on the printed document, or add a message to customer if you want to include a note when sending it by email. This can be useful for thank you notes, brief payment details, or simple delivery information. When everything looks correct, choose Save and Close if you're done and want to return to the dashboard. If you want to email the receipt right away, select Save and Send instead. That's it. Your sales receipt is now recorded in QuickBooks Online, helping you maintain clear, accurate sales records.